Okay.
All right. Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan Steves, here on behalf of Cloud Construction Corp. Here to talk to you today about cloud seeding. All right. Now, what is cloud seeding? Cloud seeding is the addition of chemicals, mostly silver iodide, into our atmosphere to assist clouds in their development. This can be applications can be used in early precipitation production, hail repression, and fog disbursement. All right, so how does it work? First, we take our silver iodide, mostly, other situations have used different chemicals. We add silver iodide into the atmosphere either by using planes to pour it into the clouds, or we can do it from the ground using up currents into our atmosphere. Once the silver iodide is into the clouds, what happens is the cloud is cooled at a warmer temperature, causing for more precipitation to, the cloud cools, forms more ice. As the more ice is formed, the cloud expands, goes above the freezing level, as you can see on that line right there, and then precipitation falls earlier. Now, in the situation of hail repression, what happens is the silver iodide causes the cloud to form smaller hail particles as opposed to having more time to develop and making fewer large particles. So it doesn't exactly get rid of the hail, but it does make it into smaller particles, reducing the damage. All right, now is it safe? Cloud seeding is a safe and environmental practice. The industry has been around for over 50 years. It was first founded in the 1940s. Studies have been conducted, and there's been no significant impact found for cloud seeding. Regulations and guides are provided by the American Society of Civil Engineers. So if the American Society of Civil Engineers feels that it's a safe industry and it's an industry that can be regulated with proper laws, then obviously it's very safe for our environment. All right, future of weather. With growing concerns of global warming, the need to be able to take part in the weather regulation is crucial. Sorry. Also, as our effectiveness in predicting the weather and more meteorological data comes out with GPS, sonar, radar, we can predict how our weather is going to form and how cloud seeding, if put into the atmosphere, is going to fall. Currently, research and development in the Desert Research Institute is spending over $1 million every year to ensure that cloud seeding is a more effective and safe practice. And they're not the only department / research organization. The Weather Modification Association, which Cloud Seeding Corp is a part of, and all other cloud seeding producers are part of, and the Utah Division of Water Resources are working hard to make sure that cloud seeding is an effective and safe industry. All right, now, cloud seeding is even used in Canada. You see up there, Alberta. Between Alberta and Red Deer is known as Canada's Hail Alley. Hailstorms are very prominent there, large, huge hail particles. There was a major hailstorm last summer in the Calgary region with hail the size of golf balls falling down, causing major damage. However, they would have been larger if our cloud seeding planes were up in the sky the day before, reducing the size of the hail. Now, many would believe that this was called by the city of Calgary. However, it was actually called by a group of insurance firms. Now, if we assume that insurance firms are businesses and make economical decisions, in fact, between profits and receipts and that sort of thing, then it can be expected that cloud seeding is an economical practice for them, because what they decided is as the insurance companies come together, it is more economical for them to repress the clouds with hail repressing cloud seeding than to allow the insurance claims to come in and pay out the money. So I guess it's proof that it's a very economical practice, and this has been going on for a number of years between Red Deer and Calgary. Now, who can benefit from cloud seeding? Well, rural counties with rich in farmland, like in Saskatchewan, but are also plagued with drought. This has been used in Thailand, and this has been very helpful in the crops. In India as well, as the monsoon season doesn't come early enough, they like to use cloud seeding. Inner cities suffering from a heat wave. Now, this is a growing problem, especially with global warming. In inner cities where there's senior population, I know many have heard that seniors pass away if heat wave prolongs for too long. So in some cases, cloud seeding to cool off the city can save lives. insurance firms, like the one in Calgary, that are trying to reduce the hail that is going to reduce the insurance claims that come in. Assisting putting out forest fires, a big problem within Canada, and especially in New Brunswick, where forestry can be a large industry, and if global warming continues on the same trend, we lose a lot of our forest, major part of our economy. And it can also help airlines in Atlantic Canada again, especially in Halifax Regional Airport. I know that fog has made days and days and days of flight cancellations and pushing the airlines back and making it, driving up the fees for residents, and Atlantic Canadians pay the most definitely for airline tickets, as many of you probably already know, and that's because of the flight cancellations and delays and having to work around this whole fog issue. In closing, here at Cloud Construction Corp, we make it our duty to provide you with the best cloud seeding products and services. Cloud seeding is a safe and effective practice that can help many regions for their precipitation needs. Whether it's a farmer looking to save his crop or a firefighter working to put out a blazing fire, cloud seeding is the right option for you. Thank you for your time.